Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome back. So in this lecture we'll create our first Maven job in Jenkins. Okay, so let me quickly log in into my Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so now we are in our Jenkins dashboard. So before creating our first Maven job, we need to do two things. First, we need to install Maven in a Jenkins server and configure its path in a Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how. So this is my Jenkins server. I have already installed Maven in here, so I'll type mvn space hyphen version. Okay, so here we have got mvn home path. We'll copy this path. We'll go back to a Jenkins server and click manage Jenkins and go to global tool configuration. And since I have already configured Maven path, I'll show you how. We'll define a name mvn and we'll define its path here. Okay, we can also choose this to install automatically by Jenkins server. Okay, but we have opted it out and installed manually. Okay, so I'll go to save. Now a second thing we need to do is install mvn plugin. Okay, we'll go to manage plugin. We'll go to available and we'll type mvn. Okay, so this is the plugin which we need to install on the Jenkins. Since we have already installed it, okay, so you are not seeing any kind of installation option. Suppose if there is some plugin, okay, Docker, you'll choose this, okay, and you'll just install without restart to install any plugin. Okay, so in our case we have already installed, so you can see in here install section here. Okay, here we have already installed it. Now let's go back to our Jenkins dashboard and create our job. I'll name it. Try to not provide any kind of space in between. Okay, so it would be, I'll give it my Maven. It's a freestyle project and okay. Now I'll give it one name, any description, and we'll go to source code management. Since this code is on Jenkins on GitHub, I'll choose Git and we'll paste my Git repository here. Since this repository is public, so we need not have to add any credentials here. Okay, master default branch is master, since this repo has only master branch. Okay, build triggers will not choose any, we'll build this manually. Build environment again we'll skip. Now adding to build step, we'll choose this invoke top Maven. Okay, Maven version mvn, which we have already configured in our Jenkins path. Goal, okay, goal will define clean package. Okay, goal is nothing but a Maven phase. Okay, I'll show you the phase cycle of Maven. So here is the phase cycle of Maven. First phase is validate. What it will do, it will validate if the project is correct and all the necessary information is available in the project. Okay, now next one we have compile. As the name suggests, it will compile the source code of the project. Now we have test. What it will do, it will test your source code using some unit test framework. Okay, now in package section, it will take the compiled code and package into some distributed format. Okay, then we do again some integration tests, and then it will verify if all the criteria is being met in our integration testing. Okay, and then we'll install and deploy our Maven project. So we have defined clean package here. What it will do, it will run all the phases, lifecycle phases, steps which I've shown you, validate, test and everything step by step, and then provide a package. Okay, so we'll do save. Let me do it again. Yes, there was some network connectivity issue maybe. Okay, so this is our Maven project. Let me go back and show you. Yes, so we'll go in here and we'll do build now. And now you can see the build has been triggered. Okay, let's wait for it. Now it has turned blue. It means our build is successful. Now we'll go to console output. So yeah, as you can see, what it was done, it has built or a project in the workspace. Okay, workspace directory. It create a workspace directory for each Jenkins job. Okay, and here are the steps. First, it git clone our repository, which we have mentioned. Okay, after git cloning everything, it had taken the MVN user path which we have defined in a Jenkins configuration and run the clean package command. Okay, so clean package done every step, every phase which I have explained you. Okay, and you can see it here, and the end result is success. Now let's go back to our project and go to workspace. So this is our our Maven project workspace directory, and it has packaged our code in zip format here. Later we can deploy it into a Tomcat server through another job or manually. So I hope you get to understand how to create our Maven job. So I hope you like this lecture. Thank you so much for this one. We'll see you in the next one.